What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today I'm going to show you how to reprogram additional keys. We're working on a 2010 Cadillac DTS. Somebody had stolen it, so the owner wanted new keys because they still had a set. The thief did. So we got the tumbler removed and we took it to a locksmith and they rekeyed it. They were able to transfer the chip from the old key to a new key, but they gave us an additional key. So we're going to take the key that already has the program. You're going to need one key that is programmed to the car for this to work. You're going to put it in the ignition, turn it on, wait 5 seconds, turn it off. Within 5 seconds, you're going to put the one that needs to be programmed in, turn it on. Again, wait 5 seconds, and then we're going to turn it off. And it should start the car. Alright, there you go. There's the one that needs programming, and it's working. High five, you did it. Thanks for watching.